So let's briefly review our immune system. When an antigen, which remember is a foreign substance that's going to invade the body, are detected by your immune system cells, there's several types of cells that work together to recognize the bad guys and respond. So they recognize it first, and then they're going to produce special things called antibodies, which will in the future go on to recognize the bad guys, antigens, and also serve as sort of a memory so that when these bad guys return, we can quickly fight them off. So we have these antibodies in the body, and if another antigen arrives, they can quickly attach to it and basically detect it. And then we have special cells that will, after the antibodies are attached to our antigen, will go and sort of engulf it. So we see here our antibodies attached to our antigen. This is our bad thing that's infecting the body. And we have something called a macrophage that's going to come and basically sort of eat this bad cell and destroy it. And once it's destroyed, we can go on continuing to have a healthy body and healthy cells. Now, there's lots of different cells and lots of different components that actually help out with this within the body, but this is just the general overview. Now let's take a closer look at one of these antibodies. So remember, an antibody is a special type of protein that our body is going to create, and it's got a special shape, sort of like an enzyme if we remember correctly, and a specific site where it will bind to the antigen. Remember, this is the foreign molecule, the bad guy that's coming into our body. Now finally, how do we get these different types of immunity? Now, the immune system is very smart and can adapt to new infections, but we have natural immunities that we get at birth and we get through our mother's milk, and then we have acquired immunities that we're going to develop when our body starts to recognize these antigens that get into our bodies, so that when we see them again or they enter our bodies again, we can fight them off and we can be nice and healthy. So again, natural, our bodies already have some immunity and babies get antibodies from mother's milk. Acquired, our bodies learn these immunities over time.